First try kickflip?
Alright. That's light work.
I got it.
Energy.
We got nice, nice. Look at these. You could just skateboard these. Alright, don't look too bad. Looks pretty sick. Even this rail is like chill enough to board slide on. I'm gonna feel this, huh?
Yeah.
Just practice right here real quick. Vibe out. Cool spot. We can just put our stuff down. Alright, peep this, y'all. We got a little 3-stair right up into the grass. Oh my gosh. I went too close to it, but yeah. Homie's gonna ollie it. Oh! Oh! He did it! That was sick. That was sick. Alright, me. You got me? Call out tricks, and I got you.
Front shove, sex change.
Oh my god, why did I do this?
He's got it for sure. Ooh.
Alright, I'll give it 3. 3 tries.
3 tries?
3 tries.
Oh. Oh my god. You gotta get your heels.
Heels? Alright, heel flip. Freaking, I suck at heel flips, dude.
Ooh. Then your bolt came out.
We're tightening. My freaking bolt keeps coming loose. It's because I didn't replace the nylon locks. Yeah. Oh well. The camera's okay. I don't care about the camera. I'm worried about you.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Alright. Okay.
I think I can hit it. Oh my god. Oh yeah?
We did it! We did it! Forced there. We're back. They don't look too bad, right? Oh, yes. Oh my god. Bring downstairs. Parkour. Flip it. Dude, no way. Imagine. He broke his board. Wait, can I see it? Yeah. Oh man. Dang, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Logan.
It's good.
RIP to your board. The skate spot. Ooh, it's pretty sick up here. I ain't even gonna lie. Alright, y'all. peep the spot. Yo, that looks sick.
Let's see if I can make it to the bottom at least.
If you go down there, go side to side, man. Go side to side. You're gonna kill yourself, man. Please use a not a snapped board. Oh my gosh. I hope he doesn't die. There you go, there you go. He's good, he's good. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm responsible for that one. Dang it. That was so cool. Oh, thanks for filming, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. On the broken board, don't kill yourself. Oh my gosh. I'm responsible for you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He said, "You got this gap? Are you kidding me?" You trying to kill me, bro? Yeah, I got that, bro. You know, I'm just gonna like, oh my gosh, right into the Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. Alright, we finna go to the skate shop. We're gonna get Logan a new board because oh, new shoes, dude. We gotta get you the whole set. New board, new shoes. Alright, let's do it. To the skate shop. Alright, who places the board in the car? P3. I won't forget. It is. It's dead. It's small.
This one's 8.25.
Oh, okay. Oh. Feel the shape and all.
I think I like the color on this one better.
Everyone's favorite. Alright, we hooked up the homie. We got the homie. He's got a new board, new shoes, grip to put it together. Cause I'm nice. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Top floor. Goodness gracious, man. Alright, we're setting up a board up here though. Let's grab it. Alright guys, we're putting together Logan's new board, but we also got the sunset. It's so pretty right now. It looks so good. Stickers and all. Stickers and all. I'm scratching up your deck already, bro. And then I completely messed up Logan's board. Do you care about the grip design?
Not really. Just do whatever.
Alright, we did that part. Now we gotta. Oh, the blade is dull. Oh no, we got it. That is true. It will work. It does. You got a new board? Feeling good. New board, new shoes. The setup. Sickness. To the top we go. Oh yeah. It's dark though.